Welcome to Wetex portal operation process. Log in with this username and password. Once you have logged in, you can able to see all the menus and the dashboard. Here all the exhibitors are listed. The exhibitor list, the status, I'll just give you the status overview. There are different status are available. So here the status pending, review in process, reviewed, like this. These all the status is available. The status keep changing. So in this operation process, there is a level 1, level 2, level 3, and then level 3 is a final approved process. After that, there is a allotment letter process there. So a review before, once the exhibitor form is submitted, then it goes under a reviewing process. Once the level 1 team is approved, then it goes for a reviewed. Similar, all the status will keep change automatically based on the level. Now we'll move forward. I'll just give you one sample. So this is one of the exhibitors sub forms. You can select this exhibitors forms whose respected sales member. This drop down is there. You can able to select. Check all this exhibitor related information. Maybe like this fields. If you want to take it from here, once you click this fields, automatically the data will fill from this data that is there. Or also you can able to enter the new data also. Maybe something you want to keep different from this, then you can enter manually also. Here there is a booth selection. Booth selection, there is a three groups. One is choice 1, choice 2, then the sponsor. When you now this choice 1 is selected, when you select the sponsor, this automatically will be unchecked. When you take additional space, sponsor, there is this space is involved. If the sponsor is taking additional space, this 100 square meter will change it over here with the space amount based on the approved amount. Here, if they have approval, then you can give the discount how much the company, the management approved. Let's say this exhibitor we are selecting this with the 50. Then you just automatically will come over there as a 50. So you change it to 50 now. So change it to 70, 75. Here you can have open space or sales scheme. So based on the exhibitors, you can select, are they selecting space only or shell scheme, then automatically the amount will be calculated over here. This will be printed on the allotment letters. Now we select this choice 1, which hall, which stand number. In case if the company is selecting the sponsorship, gold sponsorship with maybe without additional space, then it goes there without additional space. So here if they're taking a gold sponsor, then you have to select which hall are they taking under the sponsorship. So now same way, if we select this, the choice 2 in the hall number, this is the stand number, they're taking a 50 square meter, then the square meter 50 will come automatically over here. Here this exhibitors belongs to pavilion or not pavilion, you can select here, the drop down listed. Then in case if they have this exhibitor have approval for a discount, then you can upload the approval and you can put up how much they have approval, and then the discount reason you can put it there. Here maybe if it is not there, maybe you can leave it on the 0, or if they have a discount, you can put it in the discount with the attachment. Here this file for manually they have signed the forms. You can upload this form. You can able to see that submitted form over here. So if something is level 1, level 2, level 3, if they want to change something on the submitted form, they can request for a amendment. This was the reason will be shown over here. Then now we are moving to level 2 for approval. Once you submitted, so this status will change automatically, review in process. Then the reviewing process means the first level we have update the fields and submitted for a review. So since we logged in with the level 1, so his pending task will be over here. This is the recently what we have done it. He has to click there and he can double check all this. Maybe if he want to submit for some amendment, then he had to select this and keep the reason. Those reason will be listed over here. So if all is okay, then he wanted to move it to level 2 approval. He has to select that and give for approval. Then it goes to the approval process. In this, there is a exhibitor cancellation, like how many already cancelled, allotment letter, how many we already allotment letters issued. This is the master management and report. This we will record in another video. Now we will move it to the level 2. So level 2 team members, they will log in with their username and password. Then they can able to see all their menus. This is all their exhibitors list. Here, what is their pending task will be shown here. This is their pending task. He can able to click over here. Then see all the record. Again, he can able to reject with the reason. Then it goes to the previous level. They can amend. They can see that it will show this record as the pending. They can able to update all the data and send it for approval the same level. Now he has double check everything all is okay. Then he's submitting for approval. This approval stage is goes for a third level. So third level approval team will be logged in and he can able to see all his pending task over here. Approval in process is a pending task is here. This is one of them. Here he can able to select. We give a new option. This is he can select also. Yeah, he can select and approve in group 10 10 like that, or he can just go one by one also, and he can able to see those all the record and send for a allotment letter process, next process. So here we have given two options because the approval managers are always busy. They don't need to, they will not have time to open one by one and approve. They can select all together and give approval. This status automatically will change it over here. This again the same process will be shown all this. Now we will go to the allotment letter process. We log in with the allotment team member login. So they will be their dashboard and this is their pending task. This pending task, this two is pending for them. Here they can just able to see again is all this. From here also they can able to request and amendment, or they have a template over here. This template also they can able to manage to update. We'll show you in the other videos. So if they sponsor if this the template titled, if they want the allotment letter team, they can select the template. They can able to see that review how this exhibitor detail will be shown here. If it is all okay, then they can able to send it. If they wanted to change something, align is not so good, then they can able to request this. Okay, in the preview there are so and so things, please change it back. Then maybe if the discount, say for example the pricing, the discount, the hall number, all will be shown here, the name, yeah, so email ID. So all the data will be shown. Data automatically will take it from say 50 square meter space sim. Yeah, all this hall number, stand number, all will be dynamically taken from the forms. If something different, then from here also they can able to, they can change this to start from the beginning also is possible. Or if it's all okay, then they can submit. This is the time the email is triggered. It goes to the allotment process team, one email, then it goes to the exhibitors emails which you have initially we fill, then is the status change also, the allotment letter change also. So here what is allotment letters once it's moved. So now this was the one we have changed, we have sent this is sent it to exhibitor, the status change. So this is the allotment letters already sent. That is a list. Here is the pending task for her, for the allotment letter team. This one task is pending, then the same way they can open and select the allotment letter template and send it to them. This is the process for them. Now, okay. So this is the process from starting from the end of operation team. The next one more video we will record on the master tables and the report process.